Well, this is fun. My cat threw up on me last night while I was sleeping, so we get to test out and see if this king size comforter will fit in my new washing machine. Gross. Not enough coffee either. Not enough coffee.
Okay, get a good look at how thick my comforter is. Yes, I call this a comforter, and there has been some controversy on my other videos talking about comforters. People arguing with me about what a comforter is, if it's a duvet, if it's a quill, if it's a coverlet. This is what I call a comforter. And this is what I was afraid would not fit in a Speed Queen, which is why I did not get a Speed Queen. I don't want to anger the Speed Queen Mafia. I know you guys love your machines, but I just want you to know that there are other machines available that will fill to the top and will fit a king size comforter.
Well, shoot, I forgot about it and I wanted to show it to you with the water like all the way to the top, but it's already washed and soaked and everything. So let's just take a look at how full the drum is with its like all wet and everything. That big, huge comforter that was probably, up to there-ish is now halfway down. Fits easily, washes well, plenty of room to move. This is filled less than half the drum. And if you remember when I first started washer shopping and it was between Speed Queens or like a mega capacity washer like this, my main requirement was that I be able to wash my king size comforter every week at home because that's important to me. Now this is a different comforter than that. That is still on my bed. I keep this one at the foot of my bed to pull up in the winter because I get super, super cold. So that's what the cat yacked on. But I would say mission accomplished. It fits well. It washes well. I'm really, really pleased.